Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can find saved passwords in Google Chrome. So if you use some websites where you had to log in to your accounts and you agreed to save these credentials, then you can find them once again in Google Chrome. In order to do that, go to the top right corner, click on these three dots over here, and then go to Passwords and Autofill, and finally Google Password Manager. If you have any passwords saved in your Google Chrome, then they will appear over here. You can also add your own credentials by clicking Add. Now over here you can provide the website where these credentials should be used, as well as the username or of course email address depending on the website, as well as password. In addition to that, you can also provide notes for yourself, so you might see them every time Google Chrome will try to autofill these credentials for you on the chosen website. And after that you can press save. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!